Hi everyone. Recently we've had a lot of clients asking us, can you find us some brand new ready built properties? It's not that easy, especially in town. However, today I want to show you something that you could find in town with sea views, walking distance to all amenities, roof garden, it's all your own, very good quality, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms. Let's just go and take a look. Let me show you inside this lovely 2-bedroom apartment with open plan living areas. By the way, did I tell you that it's also furnished? So you wanted a 2-bedroom apartment in town, penthouse, with a roof garden, with the sea view, walking distance to everything. We've got it covered. All you've got to do is just contact us for more information.